Also coming up today, a criminal trial against a flamboyant former boss of Vivendi. At issue is whether Jean-Marie Messier misled investors before Vivendi's stock price crashed. Anastasia Haydulina reports.
It's been a full 8 years since Jean-Marie Messier was in the headlines as the boss of a sprawling media empire, an empire on the verge of collapse. Messier's Vivendi Universal was $38 billion in debt after a $77 billion spending spree. He had turned a 150-year-old water utility into a modern-day media giant with interests in pay TV, telecoms and Hollywood. In 2002, with the stock down almost 90% from the peak, the board kicked him out. Now the old wounds are back as Messier faces criminal charges he misled investors about the company's finances. Messier denies the charges. The case is proceeding against the advice of prosecutors who say there is insufficient evidence.
At the time, it was the financial scandal of the century, but it all came to nothing. And in the end, there will be absolutely nothing left against Messier.
Early this year, Messier was cleared of liability in a separate trial in New York. Vivendi was not so lucky. It could face as much as $9 billion in investor claims.
The only thing that's actually holding it back is basically these legal cases. If the company is able now to show that it is acting in the interest of shareholders, that would really help it draw a line and move on.
But the judgment in this 8-year investigation may not come until the end of the year, making it difficult for Vivendi and Messier to leave the past behind. Anastasia, Haydulina, Bloomberg News.